Hi there. Welcome to Easy English with Alicia. Today's lesson is all about small talk. What to say after greetings. You already know how to say hi or hello, but what comes next? Let's find out together. What is small talk? Small talk means friendly conversation about simple topics, things like the weather, your day, or your plan. It's what people say to be polite and friendly before talking about something serious. And sometimes we never talk about anything serious. So let's look at this example. Hi, how are you? I'm good. How about you? Not bad. It's so sunny today. Yeah, it is. I like the sun. That's small talk. Short, easy, and friendly. So, what are some common questions we can ask after greetings? After you say hello, try one of these questions. How's it going? How's your day? How have you been? What are you up to? Do you know anything fun this weekend? These are natural questions native speakers use every day. Remember, small talk isn't about deep topics, it's about connection. Here are some safe and easy small talk topics you can use everywhere. The weather, it's so hot today. Weekends or free time. Do you know anything fun this weekend? Work or school? How's work going? Hobbies? Do you like reading? Food? That new restaurant in town serves Italian pizza. Have you been there? Travel? Have you been to Rome? Each of these topics make people feel relaxed and open to talk. However, there are some small talk topics that we should not use because they feel impolite. So let's look at that list. Don't talk about money. Don't talk about religion. Don't talk about politics. Don't talk about each other's family members. And don't talk about health related topics. So if you stick to all the yes topics, you'll be safe. Let's go ahead and look at this sample dialogue, and then we're going to practice together. So this is a short conversation between two people. Hi, Jamie. How are you? Hi, Emma. I'm doing great. Thanks. How about you? I'm good. It's such a nice day today. Yeah, finally some sunshine. It's been raining all week. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Not really. Maybe I'll go hiking. What about you? I'm going to visit my family. It should be nice. See, that was easy and friendly. They didn't talk about work or politics, just daily life. Now let's go ahead and give it a try. Let's say we are both waiting in line at the grocery store and we don't really know each other. Maybe we've seen each other a couple times before. So I'm going to ask the questions and you answer, and then we'll switch roles. Hi, how are you? I'm good. It's such a nice day today. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Great. Okay, now it's your turn. I want you to ask the questions you see here and I'll respond. Let's start over. Okay, go. Hey, I'm doing great. Thanks. How about you? Yeah, finally some sunshine. It's been raining all week. Not really. Maybe I'll go hiking. What about you? Very good. And so, just like that, you practiced a small talk conversation. It doesn't require a lot of questions, and it's really just simple yes or no and back and forth questioning. Good job. Small talk helps you make friends, connect with coworkers, and sound more natural in English. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. In our next class, we'll learn how to continue the conversation so it doesn't stop after small talk. See you next time. Remember, practice makes progress. Bye.